Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, where they go by the name Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don't approve the appointment of 3 directors general for 3 agencies plus 1 special advisor on public communications and media. The new appointees na Olawale Olopade as Director General on National Sports Commission, then Abisoye Fagade as Director General for National Institution for Hospitality and Tourism. Then the country person wey dey go by the name Bwala Adedokun, now they appoint as Director General for the Bureau of Public Procurement. Our President will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He also appoints Bwala as the Special Advisor, Media and Public Communications for the State House. The presidency currently announced the new appointment inside one statement where Special Advisor to our President on Information and Strategy, they go by the name Bayo Onanuga, been signed. The new Director General of National Sports Commission will be Olopade, now sports administrator with many years of experience for inside the sector. He don serve as Commissioner of Youth and Sports for inside Ogun State and Chairman of the Local Organizing Committee of the 2024 National Sports Festival. The National Institute for Hospitality and Tourism new leader where they go by the name Abisoye Fagade, in a marketing communications professional. Oga Fagade na the founder and managing director of Sodium Brand Solutions. Then Oga Adedokun will be the new Oga of Bureau of Public Procurement. Before this appointment come board, he na the Director of Research/Training and Strategic Planning for the Bureau before in appointment. The Special Advisor on Public Communications and Media where they go by the name Bwala na lawyer and popular public affairs analyst. And no be like my good people, make a sharply yarn you 1 or 2 things about Bwala. You say in the full name na Dr. Bwala, and he na popular politician and lawyer for inside nation Nigeria. Then born am for Borno State and na there come study from primary school to university level. Oga Bwala graduates from University of Maiduguri for inside the year 2006, and he attend Nigerian Law School for inside Buhari only for inside Abuja, and Abuja at the Federal Capital Territory. He don work with law firm of JK Gadzama and Partners LLP, and this now one of the leading law firms for inside the nation Nigeria for 5 years until 2013 when he come leave to go set up his own law firm wey be Bwala and Co. Then for inside the year 2008, he participates as observer/shadow judge for the International Negotiation Competition wey be INC, and that na University of Westminster, London, UK for inside the year 2009. He can become Nigerian National Representative to International Negotiation Competition for inside the United States of America, and na there been plaster till today. For inside the year 2014, Oga Bwala earned Master of Laws wey be LLM for inside the International Business Law from Coventry University, and he can become member of the English Bar as barrister by the Honourable Society of Lincoln's Inn. Oga Bwala dey happily married to Diana Bwala, and she na veterinary doctor and lecturer for inside the University of Maiduguri, and they can get 2 pikin. They go by the name Faith and Ethan. Then for inside the year 2002, the presidential candidates of the People's Democratic Party, and he still be the former vice president of the nation Nigeria. This country person dey go by the name Atiku Abubakar. He can appoint Oga Bwala as in talk person to the presidential candidate of the PDP for inside the 2023 presidential election. Then for inside the month of July for inside this year 2024, Oga Bwala called the yarn say he don comot from the People's Democratic Party and they go join the ruling All Progressive Congress. And now from there, now our president will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu can give up this appointment. So this now, my good people, it can lead me to the next information I want share give the general public. And the cocoa now the quarter where they happen between Oga Atiku Abubakar and this administration where they led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know say the Nigerian presidency dey don dismiss all the criticisms, all the yabbings wey dey come from the former vice president Atiku Abubakar against our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration, and dey come dey yarn, the presidency now dey yarn say all the criticisms, all the yabbings, e no go dignify him with a response o. Now dis dey come after Atiku Abubakar bin advise our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him focus on governance rather than attacking political opponents. For inside one statement now by Oga Atiku's special assistant on public communications, im dey go by the name Frank Shaibu, Oga Atiku Abubakar come dey yarn say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu is very much incompetent and is very much unprepared. And he say based on the way the government still dey handle the compressed natural gas initiative, that na pure example say this government get poor planning. Now sake of say the Nigerian presidency dey no like the things and things wey dey come outside from the mouth of Oga Atiku Abubakar, dey come react onto the matter, and then react through the countryman wey dey go by the name Sunday Dare, in a special adviser to our president on public communications and orientation. The presidency come dey yarn say the priority of the government is to deliver relief to Nigerians and implement ongoing reforms. So like this now they are very much busy because they get a country to run, and they are very much done with Oga Atiku Abubakar. Our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu was elected by Nigerians to run this country, and that one na their focus at the moment, to come dey bring things and things to our general public, to come dey deliver some kind reforms wey go make things good. Na wetin dey try do, and that na wetin dey important to them at the moment, and that na their focus. Now my good people, make no forget the things and things wey happen for the 29th day of May for inside last year wey be 2023, during the inaugural speech of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know say na there im come announce the removal of petrol subsidy, and as a result of the removal, the price of fuel per litre e come increase from 184 naira wey bin dey to over 1,000 naira. And also the government, their unified foreign exchange wey be forex windows, e come lead to a sharp decline in the value of our local currency wey be naira, from around 700 naira wey be dey before per dollar. Now it is over 1,600 naira per dollar on the parallel market. This change don cause prices of food and basic goods to skyrocket. E come make Nigerians now come dey struggle with the impact of rising inflation. So when the Nigerian presidency come outside dey yarn say they dey implement policy wey go make things good for the general public, make we remember say these policies wey they implement, e no good at all so far for the general public. When all these politicians now dey yarn their things and things, make we check the facts, make we torchlight how things dey be for inside the nation Nigeria. So this my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, then you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.